Everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to create another Shopify store for you to specifically speak about marketing. On our previous videos, we had set up the customers and we set up the discount codes for your Shopify account. Now, what goes hand in hand with that is marketing, sending email marketing. In that previous video, when we were setting up the customer, remember we asked if they accepted marketing preferences, if you can send them marketing. Well, today I'm going to show you how to set up that marketing for you, for emails and etc., right? All right, so as always, as I'm starting new videos, I am creating new trials for you to show you from the beginning to go. So that's what we're going to do now. So if you don't have the Shopify account already and this is your first video, do subscribe, follow us, drop us a comment what you need to know or what you want to know and how I can help you to make money. All right, so also you can find the link in the description below as well if you haven't done so already. All right, so we're going to create a new account here with the email that we have. And we're going to hit enter and get started. All right, we need the password and we need another store name. And I'm running out of store names for you guys. Let's say the brick in your wall, right? Love Pink Floyd, pretty fun. Great listening, something to listen to while you're kind of creating your store too. So create your store, the brick in your wall, and then we're going to answer some questions here that they want to know. Are we already selling? I'm playing around. Your current revenue, I'm not selling. Which industry will be operating in? It's your choice. I haven't decided yet. And are you setting up a store for a client? Again, you've heard me before in our previous videos. If you're creating a store for somebody else, click the box. If not, leave empty. So next, now our information, right? So your name, your first and last name, your email address, your telephone number, right? And they want to know, is it a registered business? It is a registered business. You can say enter my store. And if you have a personal website as well, enter it here. If not, leave blank. If it's not a registered business, leave this box unclicked and you can go in settings later on and update that information. All right, so let our store load up. Again, I want to remind you, today we're not really focusing on themes. We did that before. We're not focusing on products. We did that before, right? And we're just going to work on marketing. So you have this full time exactly about marketing campaigns, right? Okay, let's get started. Let's stop wasting your time. You have money to make, right? So going to marketing, and this is the options here. Now, I know when I first came into Shopify quite some time ago, I was like, oh wow, this is very complicated, right? No, it's not. Honestly, it's very easy. So just take your time, take a deep breath if you need to, grab a glass of water, however you're going to relax, and sit down and enjoy. All right, so to create a campaign, no, it's not military. It's exactly like a marketing campaign. So you have a goal like a military to do, right? I need more customers. I need more money. That's a campaign for you. So you can create a campaign and you can view the templates as well. So you can choose either one, all right? So I'm just going to go here from the beginning. Now, build your campaign by adding a marketing activity. So Shopify email, create emails to share promotions and updates with customers. Facebook, if you added Facebook in our previous videos for there, you can do it. You can use the dynamic retargeting ad, right? A page post, Microsoft Smart Shopping, it's recommended for you here. Automatically optimize your shopping campaigns, Pinterest, Snapchat, and Yahoo product campaigns. I'm just, for today, nothing really changes here. I'm just going to use Shopify, okay? So let this load. We're going to make an email campaign, all right? You have a certain amount with a free plan. I think it's 2,500 emails you can send. When you have these customers, or just if you have some kind of lead, or if you don't know what lead is, it's just an idea of somebody that might want to come check out your store, right? Now, that's what that's going to be. Now, the template, so the starting point, just an idea, right? The first one here, the product restock here, that's what it looks like basically anyways. You can choose these, and you can change these later on too as well, and you can view more. Let's go ahead and view more. Let's look at what more they have. So you can do email type, When you select this, it's going to give you the choice of announcements, a blank, holidays and occasions, right? Product highlights, promotions. I'm going to choose promotions. I'm promoting my store. I need to know what more. And if you want more, you can do announcements, you can do holidays, products, all of these, right? But for now, I'm just doing promotions. So when you do this, it will show you all the templates when you select all of them or specific ones that you select. Okay, so it's an email, upcoming event, a product, a discount if you have a discount, right? I showed you how to do that. How to copy that code. You can put it right here as well. That code you give, remember when we went and we were talking about notifications and the emails, how you can just kind of paste a code in this location and it will kind of edit that? Well, that's it here. All right. And also, too, by the way, you can automatically apply them to a checkout. Anyways, if you just want to give it to everybody, you can, the same, or specific customers. Last time, we did specific customers, but it's just one box you click and you can apply it to everybody as that comes to it as that promotion. So it's your choice. Let's see, end of sale, a gift card, Black Friday sale ending, Cyber Monday, right? So this is Black Friday in November, Cyber Monday, again, November, discount. Let's see, maybe I want to do discount. So this is the template here. I'm going to select this. And there we go. All right, only paid Shopify accounts can send email campaigns. Now, I didn't go over that. I didn't tell you that, but you do need to have a paid account, right? So to send emails through Shopify, upgrade to a paid Shopify plan. You can send emails once your store is active for 2 weeks. Now, well, let's skip that, right? Let's pretend that we've already done that. So to who? All right, so subscriber groups, all subscribers new, have not purchased yet, returning. This is where you're going to go for people who do subscribe as well. Preview text, write a summary of your email to display after the subject line. So after the subject line, underneath that, right, we need some kind of. Now, let me show you something. I can say, welcome to our store. We have a gift for you. Okay. All right. Now, from the brick, now this is the brick in your wall. This is my information. You can edit it right here, right? Specific to, be specific to the subject, say a free gift. Okay. All right. Now, this is what the email is going to be from, the preview text, right? Now, let's speak about this. All right, so when you click on this, the brick in your wall, when you select this, the header, the store name, right, or the logo. If we don't have a logo, select image, and I'm going to choose my images, right? So as doing so, I'm going to have it right here. Let's see, the bio logo, that's going to be my logo, and it's going to appear. And I'm going to select done. And now my logo. Now I can make it bigger or smaller based however. Right, so that's my logo. Let's make it smaller. It's our email. And the alignment. How do you want it to be? So center, left, or right. I'm going to choose center. And you can change the background too. And you can even hide that header as well. So you can change that background color. Alright, that is here. Alright, now what about something for you? Now, when you select this, you can move this around too. So you'll just kind of like grab and you can move. Right, so you see, you can move all of this just by grabbing and dragging and dropping. So the header, you're not really going to move the header, right? So it's called a header for a reason. Alright, so something for you. When you select this, when you do this, it's going to duplicate it, right? Now that I've duplicated it, I'll show you how to delete. Right here, the little red trash can, you'll delete. Alright, so delete that. Give it just a moment. No, okay, alright. And, well, we deleted both, but there we go. There we go, we have it. Okay, great. Alright, so something for you, when you double click, it comes here. System font, regular, we can change that. So let's select a font, something like Times New Roman. When we select Times New Roman, you can take a look and it will change all of this text. System font, whichever, and you have these choices. Alright, so we'll click done. All right, the font size, we can change the font size with this little drag bar. All right, let's say this. Okay, now here we go. Something just, I'm gonna be creative here, just for you. All right, and we can come down. Right, I'm going to delete that. Now, what about the font size? I can make it small without bold. Welcome. Welcome. I'm going to give it another space. We want your business. Okay, there we go. We have that. That's this section. Okay, we can change the text color. I want to change it to red. All right, we're going to change red, and there we go. And anytime you select something, right? So like welcome to, I want it to be like italics, the same. If I want this to be red too, the same text color, red. So that's how you're going to change this information, right? Email styles change will apply to all sections for the content background. Okay, we don't want. All right. Create your email, and now we're going to select that again, and there we go. We can change the alignment and the background, so it's just going to be what's white here. We can change it to black, green, gray, whatever color you want to choose, right? All right, what about this? Special offer. Highlight, right? We can go to the text. We can change the text color again to red as well. And text color, let's see. All right, here, red. All right, and you can be able to change that to link color as well. And so we can change all of this information. So let's change style to the color, and currently use whatever, right? So that's how you're going to do that. Now, coming back. Now, the text, we can hide the text. It's just a discount, right? The requirements, what you must do, right? So when we choose to select, this is how we're going to change the font to this. But it's not wanting to allow us to do it for now for some reason. So once you create, by the way, last video we showed you how to do a discount, right? So if you already selected that discount, you've done that, you can actually select the discount from what you've already created. We didn't do this here today, but this is where you would select it and it would put it there. All right, and this is this information. Now, coming to requirements, it's going to be here. So select a discount to feature, right? Discount requirements. This is this information, right? Now, because we don't, and why this is not allowing us to change, because we don't have the discount. All right. So the button, when we come to the button, how do we want the button to look? This is what it's asking you. So here we go. Apply discount, right? Change the Romans. This is the font. Okay, I'm choosing this font. I want to change that button size, the text size, the style. Do I want it to have corners? Do I want it to be rounded, right? Solid, outlined, right? So like that, but solid. And you change the text color and the background color as well. Now that's the button. And there we go. Now here, this is the address. Just double click. Display options, shop address or not. Phone numbers. We can add the phone number. And the social media link icons. And you'll just actually take, if you have an Instagram, put this URL right here, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest as well. And the icon color you can change as well. So we can come here, and this is how you're going to do the footer, right? So the system foot. Regular you can change. We've already changed the text elsewhere, so let's do this one too. And it will change that information for you. And we can come to done, and this is the footer. So this is everything that you're going to see right here. Now, these we can say, so we have something just for you. Select, and I want to move it, right? So you remember discount value, right, etc. But we don't have a discount right now because we didn't create one, and that's fine. But let's add a section. I want to add more. I want to add more to my marketing campaign. Just like when we're doing themes, how you can add extra to your page, the same thing accounts here. So we can add text, we can add a button, we can add a picture, all right? So let's go to add pictures, and we can upload a new picture, right? And we can come here to Tom Cruise, and we have a new picture, right? Or whatever picture you have. Maybe you have a product, right? We can select this for this again, whatever, right? You get the idea for the pictures adding this. All right, let's delete. I don't want that. All right, add another section to add another discount. You can. For example, the discount value, you see the same. I'm going to add another section to show you. What about a gift card? Are you selling a gift card? You can buy a gift card. So if you were wanting them to buy a gift card, you can give them this choice too. Add another section, and let's see, we added button, to give a button to learn more, right? Here you can do as well. So when you come to button, you have the same. So a link, for example, to your products. If you created products, all products, right? And it will just be like learn more. It will send them to your products as well. Change the font, change the size, the corners for the button. The same thing applies to as the apply discount. Nothing changes here. Adding this selection. Let's see, you can have a divider. A divider is just a space, like in between, right? Between this, we can divide that. And I want to duplicate this divider because I'm going to use it again. And I can move this up here, right? And anything else, I want to make another one. It's just a divider in the email. And I'm just going to drag them up and put it right here. So you see how that works, right? Going back to adding sections. Product. We have a product. Here we go. Search all product. Search products. Your store doesn't have any products yet. So once you add a product, right, like in past videos, you'll be able to select it right here. All right, and going back to add sections, you have buttons and a text. So when we put a text here, we can just highlight and just say, hello, we want to encourage you to shop with us, or something, right? Shop with us. All right, now we have that. So this is our text, and like, oh, well, that's pretty blank. Well, the same, if you want to change the font, you can go to done, and to change the color, if you want, you can change the text color to like red, right, or whatever. The link color, if you're putting in a link, and the alignment as well. And this is it. Pretty cool, right? Coming back just to make sure I didn't, or an image, let's see the text, we did button, discount, divider, gift cards, and products. This is it. And let's see, I'm going to move this up a little bit. So move this, here we go. And hello, we want to encourage. And you can see, and you can continue to do this and create more and more and more. And you can add a new section just with the plus sign, as you see, like anywhere, plus, right, boom, plus, plus. So you can do both, either add section or the plus sign as it shows up when you're hovering over it. And okay, so we can send the test, and we can send here, send up to one more email once. Now, your store is blocked and can't send test emails. That's because we are here only for paid accounts. But you see how it's done. So if you are ready, chances are you're probably going to pay for a paid plan anyways, but you're not quite sure. That's why you're doing the 14 days, just to kind of get an idea, which is really great. 2 weeks to really kind of build your store. If you have this time to do that, it's really great to spend that 2 weeks to do. And then, like, you've already created the account. Think about it this way. So you spend 14 days creating the account. You've added your customers. You've already added your products. You've played with the theme. You've added links, etc. Right? Blogs even. You set up your settings. That's 2 weeks. That's a long time. Honestly, you can do this in about, if you take 3 hours, 4 hours, and you already have an idea with pictures, with products already customer based, with a CSV, you can really build this like really good in like 3 hours. So 14 days, if you don't have any of that information, you can pretty much get that information within 14 days, build the website, and then you can just jump to the paid plan that they have to offer on Shopify. And then once you do that, I just showed you this. Honestly, it's just like 10 minutes, right? And but I'm sure you already have an idea of what you're going to say. Again, 2 weeks to do, and start sending emails, start marketing, start making money, get customers, build that base for you guys, right? So this is it. Now I'm going to go back, right? So you'll send a test email and you'll save it, right? So this is it. Now this is what I created. This is my template for here. This is what I did. Now you can edit activity. The same. So let's come back, let it load, and you're going to see too, right? So free gift. This is it. right? So if you want to change that. So coming back, that's a free gift, right? This is it. You can archive the campaign. You can delete the campaign, rename the campaign, whatever. It's just untitled because I didn't put a name yet. And you're going to see this too. So any kind of campaigns that you have and you build, and even if you're doing, you can even create them right now in that 14-day period. And then once you do pay, you just come right here and you can just start sending them right there. Boom. It's it. So you can already have multiple campaigns built in all of this time. And before you start really, so look, let me stop. 2 weeks to build your store, follow our videos, right? Okay, you built a store, you have your customer base, you have everything you need. All right, build your campaigns, your marketing campaigns. You just now know how to do that. You can have a big list of these. Then when you're ready, when that 14 days finishes, you can get a paid plan. And what that paid plan is really going to help you start just from the very beginning. 1, send marketing campaigns. 2, it's going to take that password off so they can just come, anybody can come to your site, which is typically what you want, right, before marketing. So right there, you're already ready to go on the first moment that you pay for the paid plan. You already have everything built. And if you don't have any customers, that's fine. Send a marketing campaign to everywhere. Copy the links. You can send discounts to just random places if you have leads. You can even Facebook, your friends, right? They'll come. You can get their information, their friends and family. You can send it to them. You can build that customer base. So you'll have everything ready. And just the moment you pay for that paid plan, you're right here. You have everything to go. Oh, boom, send this to my customers, right? We showed you how to build customers before. Just select them here, and you're going to send this marketing campaign to them. You're going to send them discount codes. You are going to make money, right? So that is all for now. You have marketing. You have everything you need. So don't forget to subscribe. Drop that comment below and let me know how I can help you further. Alrighty, guys. I can't wait to see you again. Have a wonderful day.